What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. We're playing around with our little F150 project. I know we haven't really talked about this, but we're gonna mess around with throwing in a bed liner. So we're gonna do some prep. We kind of just sprayed it down with some simple green. This particular truck had a bed liner on it, a little cover. So I had to pop that off first, but you guys probably won't have that on there. If you don't, if you do, then obviously you gotta take that off first. But let's jump in it and do a little time lapse of our prep work for getting it ready.
What's going on, guys? It's day 2 of our truck bed lining project. As you can see, yesterday we used the Scotchbrite with some simple green to degrease and clean the surface. Everything looks pretty good today. The only thing we need to do is obviously blow off the surface, make sure there's no loose dirt sitting on the top. But today we're going to go a little bit rougher with some sandpaper. So we have some 220 on the flat pieces we got to do for crevices, kind of like these areas that are going to be kind of tough for the orbital to get. But for the most part, the bed is pretty flat, so this orbital will do a good job and save me some manpower. So yeah, let's get on that. Let's blow off the bed and then start sanding and see where it takes us. Alright guys, we got the bed all sanded down. I think it's pretty good. Everything feels pretty good. It sucks that the paint is white because, it makes it a lot easier to kind of tell when it's not white, but I think for the most part we got everything roughed up and it's ready for the next step. So tomorrow we'll be masking off everything that we're not going to want to spray, and then hopefully, see how everything goes.
What's up guys, we're back here with the F150 project. Just wanted to go over, got a little acetone, and we're going to wipe down all of the paint material, get all that dry dust off that's hard to get off. And then manufacturer recommends doing some metal etch primer on any spots that we had to go down, take off deep scratches and where bare metal's exposed. So we have some stuff here that we exposed, and we have some stuff here on the tailgate. So I'm just going to lightly coat that so there's not any bare metal, so we treat that metal. Alright, so we got everything all prepped, got it all masked off now, and I mean, you guys can do whatever line you guys want. We're gonna do it along this edge here, and then underneath, and then along here, and then we basically stuff some towels in there, and then we don't want any to get into the threads of the tailgate support. So like I said, it's kind of, some guys do it here. It's like you find your own line where you guys want to do it. Alright, so it looks like the UPS guy got a little carried away with our package, so he broke our our little hardener thing, you know, to get the 8 ounces. So that obviously we can't use, so get rid of that. So we have another little measuring cup. We're just going to use that, and so we're going to go 8 ounces. Got our hardener, got it opened up, so let's dump it in. Let's get to 8. How's that look?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Okay. So we got 8 ounces, and then we take the bottle. And we dump it in. Okay. Now they say shake vigorously for 2 minutes. So 2-minute intermission. All right, 2 minutes. So now it's pretty simple. All you gotta do is take the lid off, get your gun, and your gun attaches right to the bottle. So makes it easy.
Also, they don't give you the little fitting, so if you don't have that, then
yeah, you just need
to find one.
You just need a female compressor fitting, or steal it from one of your other tools. So not a big deal. All right, now this truck obviously is way off the ground, so I got a ladder set up, and anyway, let's jump in there. What's up, guys? We finally got the bedliner project done. As you can see, everything turned out nice. So really happy with the U-POL product for 130 bucks. I mean, you can't even buy a plastic liner to throw in there, and I think this is super clean. So yeah, it turned out great. So if you got a few days, you want to do it yourself, jump on it, man. I highly encourage it. I think it's a good product. It seems really solid, and it's definitely gonna last with the tonneau cover on the back. I mean, this thing is gonna last, you know, decades. So anyways, catch you on the next one, guys.